Sometimes the smallest of actions can have the most powerful, profound, and positive impacts. And one of the simplest and best gifts that we can give to ourselves is to get outside and to move a little bit every day. The benefits extend far beyond those of health and reach into mental clarity, peacefulness, well-being, and creativity. If we all do just a little bit every day, I think you'll be surprised at how easy it is and how well that you will do. So come on and join us. We'll help you. We'll do it. You can do it. We can do it. Let's do it together.